Hi guys and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rosangel and I love all things cooking, decorating and entertaining. On today's video, I am going to be displaying some beautiful large jars I picked up that I want to display here at my kitchen counter. I am actually very lucky that I have these floating shelves that I'm actually able to move some things around so I can accommodate these four beautiful jars. So grab your favorite beverage, whether it's a wine, a coffee, or even a hot chocolate, and let's do this together. I have been searching for these large airtight storage jars everywhere. I went to, of course, my favorite stores, which is Home Goods and Marshalls. I even went to Target. I tried Walmart. And there was one other store. I can never remember the name of the store. Well, when I remember, I'll let you guys know. But anyhow, I actually ended up buying the jars in Amazon. And I end up paying about $80 for the four storage jars. I think it was a great deal, especially when it was exactly what I was looking for. Now, as you guys can see, I washed these jars. I dried them really well because I'm gonna use it for flour. I'm gonna use it for oatmeal, sugar, and cookies. Now, I also bought these labels. Actually, the labels came with the jars. I don't know if I'm going to use this, but I tell you what, I was super happy with this buy. And when I tell you they're actually really airtight, they're airtight. You literally have to hug these to get it open. I don't know about you guys, but I truly enjoy walking into a Home Goods or even a Ross and just looking at things and kind of seeing what I am going to purchase rather than buying something in Amazon and not knowing what I am going to get. So, you know what? Kudos to Amazon this time. I am very pleased with my buy. So, I have my flour out here, my oatmeal, and I need to make sure these jars are completely dry before I add any of these things inside these jars, because then that's going to be a mess. Oatmeal, my friends, oatmeal is something that my girls have pretty much every day. Now with the flour, guys, I don't really bake, you know that, but I have been lately doing a lot of banana cake for my girls, or banana bread, may I say. And I say banana cake because my girls don't like that dry banana cake. They like it moist and with lots of sugar. So to me, that is a banana cake. So let's go ahead and get these jars ready so I can display them. Now to the best part. Let's put these delicious Chips Ahoy in here. We love cookies around this house. Anytime we have dinner, we like to munch on something sweet, and generally is a cookie, my friends. So this, I know for a fact, is not going to last long. And with these beautiful storage jar, I think it's so pretty. You can actually display different type of cookies. I think it would look so pretty and very appetizing, especially when you have guests over and they're looking at you right there at the countertop. Look how pretty this looks. Now I am loving this. Look how pretty these storage jars actually look. They're so pretty and neat. So I have the this one here that's left is for the brown sugar. So I'm gonna have to run to the store and get me some brown sugar. I don't have any, or at least enough to fill this jar. So I gotta get some brown sugar. But it looks so pretty. And by the way, my friends, these are 1 gallon storage jars, okay? They come in different sizes. So this size actually works for me. I'm gonna go ahead now and clear this countertop up, wipe it down, and move some stuff around. My friends, although I don't have a farm decor here in my house, I love this beautiful white rooster. It was my late mother favorite rooster, and I have to keep it around the house displayed somewhere. It's such a beautiful conversational piece, and of course a great reminder of the beautiful woman she was. Love this. If you have seen my videos, you know I love an ambient light. So I am gonna keep this little small lamp here. I think it's so coastal and actually kind of want to say rustic looking. I love this. So I am gonna keep it here. Now let me tell you, I love a servant tray. Can be used for so many things, and in my case, which I love this one, it has that little copper lining. I'm gonna use this to, and I usually do, just to put my wine glasses and my wine, but I love that copper little string it has around it. I do have a few copper cups with actual pictures as well that you can use for entertaining. And this is so pretty to prepare some margaritas. What do you guys think? I think it's so pretty. I also have this, a larger one you can also use for water. But it's so pretty. Look how beautiful this looks. Just love it. I'm gonna just go ahead and start decorating this little area here. I don't know about you guys, but you know what? It's so funny how I will decorate something and then I will probably pass it a few times around the house and I'm like, I don't like it here, and I'll move it around. I do it all the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a little speed up because that's exactly what's going to happen here. And we are almost done. I just love how beautiful these storage jar look here at my counter. I thought they were gonna be too big for the space, but they are perfect. Now let me show you guys how beautiful this actually came out. I sure hope you have enjoyed this short video, and I hope today's video gave you some inspiration and maybe even a few new ideas, my friends. This is exactly why I love creating content for you. And with that said, my friends, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell so you guys don't miss out on video. Until next time, bye bye.